How to fix photo mode missing on TikTok. In this video, I will show you how to fix photo mode missing on TikTok. The first step is to open or launch the TikTok mobile application, just like you can see here. After that, you will land on the homepage of the TikTok mobile application, just like you will see here. The next is to tap on the Make a New Post icon, which is found somewhere here. After that, you will land on this page where you can see this preview of the camera. Look for an option named Photo. It should appear somewhere here, just like you can see mine. If yours is missing, don't worry, I will show you how to get it. Come back to the homepage of the app. Next, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your account. After that, tap on the menu. It is this icon with the hamburger symbol. After that, a section with several options appears. From the options, tap this one here named Settings and Privacy. You will land on the Settings and Privacy page of TikTok, as you can see. After that, you will see all these different sections that you can use to make changes to your TikTok account. From there, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Continue scrolling until you reach this section named Support and About. Under the section, there are options such as Report a Problem and Support. From the options, tap this one named Report a Problem. Kindly wait for the page to finish loading. As you can see, there are all these different sections here that will take you to these different parts of your TikTok account. From the sections, tap this one named Account and Profile. As you can see, the section expands to reveal more options. From those options, tap this one named Profile Page. As you can see, these different options appear here where TikTok is trying to give you possible issues you may be facing. Ignore them and tap on this option here named Other. Please wait for the page to finish loading. After that, you will land on this page where TikTok is trying to give you possible solutions to the issue you are facing. From the options here, tap this one named No. It has a dislike icon. After that, tap on this other sections here named Need More Help. Finally, this feedback text box appears where you are required to enter or type a message explaining to TikTok the issue you are facing, just like I'm doing. You can also copy what I am typing here. Finally, after making sure everything is correct, tap here Submit and your message will be sent to the TikTok support team. Give them time and they will respond to you with a solution. That is how to fix photo mode missing on TikTok.